Hello everyone, welcome to Heavy Crypto, and today we're going to take a look at Heavy Crypto indicator and find out how exactly we can use this indicator, what these colors mean, and what these border lines mean. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathen's god.
So basically this indicator tells you when is good time to buy and when is good time to sell. Just like right here, when it says sell, it means that it's good time to sell, alright? Meaning that you're going to be making money when the price of certain coin or any cryptocurrency is going down. And when it says buy, it means that it's good time to buy when the price of certain coin or cryptocurrency or whatever you're trading is going up, alright? So these green candles indicate that this is strong upward momentum, alright? So you'd notice that we also have these green candles with red wicks right here. These candles indicate weak upward momentum. So you notice that the price might be in an uptrend with these red wick candles. It simply means that the price is still in an uptrend but with weak momentum. So these green candles indicate a strong upward momentum, alright? So you'll notice that there's also a green candle right here, but then it has red wicks, alright? And these red wicks indicate upward momentum but not strong as this candle right here. And we also have red candles right here, and these red candles indicate downward momentum, alright? And we have these maroon candles right here. These simply indicate downward momentum but not as strong as these red candles right here. Okay, so basically when you're using heavy crypto indicator, it's very important to take all these colors into consideration. All right, let's say you take a position right here and you are making money when the price is going up like this. You see these green candles with red wicks right here. It simply means that the momentum is not that strong. Okay, does not mean that you should take profits and stuff like that. You only take profit whenever you see these yellow candles. These yellow candles means that the price might change at any time. Let's say for example right here, the price was consolidating right here, right? And then we had these yellow candles right here telling us that the price might change in the nearest future, followed by this completely green candle right here, and the price started going upward, all right? And right here we had these yellow candles again telling us that, well, the price might change and we should consider taking our profits, all right? And followed by this completely red candle right here, and the price went down like this. Okay, so this heavy crypto is very simple indicator to use. All it does is to tell you when is good time to enter a position or any coin. It can be leverage token or whatever you're trading. Okay, so it simply tells you when is good time to buy and when is good time to sell. For example, you cannot take a position right here when the price is just consolidating like this. Okay, this indicator is only going to tell you when is good time to enter a position. You would buy right here and you'd be selling to somewhere else right here. Okay, you take profits after seeing an opposite signal or these yellow candles. All right, so right here we can see that we also have this middle line right here. So this middle line simply tells you whether the price is in an uptrend or downtrend. All right, so for example right here you can see that whenever we are in an uptrend, the price moves on top of this line and this line turns green. And whenever we are in a downtrend, the price moves below this line and this line turns red. Alright, so this line simply tells you whether we are in an uptrend or a downtrend. Now we understand what these colors mean, how exactly we can use this line, and right now let's go ahead and look at the most important part of heavy crypto indicator. So we are looking at Atom USDT right now. Alright, so this green and red line, this is target range. Okay, so for example, let's say right here you can see that whenever the price is in an uptrend, you'd see that the heavy crypto indicator will show you the target range. All right, meaning that the price cannot go any further out of this target range. As you can see right here, see whenever we're in an uptrend, the heavy crypto indicator draws this target range for you. Let's take a look at Bitcoin price right now. Right here, this is Bitcoin price. Okay, as you can see right here, the price was touching this range right here. Okay, perfect, touching it like this. All right, telling that the price cannot go any further outside of this range. So these green and red lines simply tells you where exactly the price might not go. All right, and also you can use these lines as support and resistance. So going back to our Atom chart right here, you can see that heavy crypto indicator right here gave me a buy signal right here, and this was yesterday. Says, hey, take a long position right now because the price might go up in the nearest future. All right, so I had to decide whether I should buy leverage token or I should take a long position. It's all up to me. All right, and the most important part is you can actually set an alert on heavy crypto indicator, and this is how exactly you can do it. You're just gonna go ahead to heavy crypto indicator right here and click right here and say add alert on heavy crypto indicator. All right, so just gonna go ahead and click right here, and right here is heavy crypto indicator settings, and right here you choose whether you want to get an alert based on sell signal or buy signal. All right, so it's up to you. You also have a bunch of all other options right here that you can choose. And for now, let's say I want to take a short position because right now the price has pumped like crazy right here after getting this buy signal. Right, this is like 42% based on heavy cryptos indicator signal. All right, so let's say I want to get notified when sell signal comes out right here. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead to three dots right here and click where it's written add alerts on heavy crypto, and it's just gonna show me this bar right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and click sell alerts right here, heavy crypto right there, and right here I have to choose. So I'm only gonna choose only once right here, and right here I have to choose whether they should send me an email or everything is in order right here. Just gonna go ahead. So right here you can actually name it. So let's say heavy crypto sell, or let's just say selling time. Okay, and right here sell, and you click right here where it says create. Okay, boom. So I'm gonna get an alert when heavy crypto indicator says sell, so that I'm gonna go ahead and jump into Bybit crypto exchange and create a short position or buy a short leverage token. Okay, and most of you have been asking, Hoyle, so how do you buy leverage token and stuff like that? So I'm just gonna go ahead to show you in this video how exactly you can do that. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead to buy Bybit right now. Boom, and this is my Bybit account right here. So in order for you to buy a leverage token, we're just gonna simply go ahead to where it's written derivatives right here, and go ahead to where it's written more than derivatives right here, and click leveraged token right here. Okay, it says leverage without the risk of being liquidation. Okay, so just gonna go ahead and click right there. All right, let's say you want to view all these leverage tokens, or you can simply go ahead and click right here and choose a leverage token. Okay, so these are all leverage tokens right here. If you buy a short leverage token of Atom right here, you're gonna be making money when the price of Atom is going down. Okay, so right here I'm just waiting for a sell signal right here to come out from heavy crypto indicator, and once that signal comes out, I'm gonna get notified, and I'm gonna go ahead to Bybit and buy a short Atom leverage token, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna be making money when the price of Atom is going down. Okay, so to view all the markets of leverage token, simply gonna go ahead to trades right here and click right here where is it leverage token. Is gonna show me bunch of leverage tokens right here. So you can see that you can actually make a lot of money with these leverage tokens, right? As you can see, the price of them go crazy. Bitcoin only moved like 8%, and right here you can see that the leverage token of Bitcoin moved 25%. All right, so meaning that if you have bought Bitcoin, you'd have made 25% simply by trading leverage tokens and without being liquidated. So let's say I want to buy Atom long leverage token. I'm just gonna go ahead to exit and trades right here. Okay, so it's gonna show me the price of Atom right now. and this is atom leverage token. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and choose quantity of atom that I want to buy right now. So this is the price, simply like spot trading. Okay, right now you can see that I have $100 right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead. Let's say I want to spend all of it right here. I'm just gonna go ahead, put $100 right there and click buy. Okay, and right here it says I'm gonna buy at this price, and I'm gonna get 5 atoms, and I'm spending $100 right here, and simply gonna go ahead and click buy like this. Okay, and you can see that my order, I've opened orders right here and waiting to be filled. Okay, so well, once the order gets filled, I'm gonna have leverage token on my Bybit account. Okay, and I can be able to sell these leverage tokens at higher price if price moves on my favor. Okay, and that's how exactly I'm going to make profits based on heavy crypto indicators signal and leverage tokens. So if you want to get this heavy crypto indicator, just gonna go ahead to a link in the description below at the very top of description right here. So just gonna go ahead and click that link like this, and it's gonna take you to a page look like this, and it's gonna ask you to put your name. So just gonna go ahead to put your trading view name right here. Okay, and let's say my name is John, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and type John right here with my surname, the name that I'm using on TradingView, and right here is going to ask me to put my email. So I'm just going to go ahead, let's say this is my email right here, and go ahead and click next. Okay, so it's going to ask you to pay right here with Coinbase right here. So you can choose any cryptocurrency that you want to pay with, and right here is going to give you time to make payments. Okay, so you can pay with Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, or any other coins that you're seeing right here. So you're just gonna go ahead and choose the coin. Let's say you want to pay with Ethereum, then it's gonna provide you with Ethereum address and the amount of Ethereum that you have to pay with. Okay, so just gonna go ahead and copy these, all right, and also copy the amount of Ethereum and put right there and make a payment to this address. Okay, so it's very simple indicator, and it's going to help you a lot when it comes to trading. And I've been using this indicator for more than 3 years, and I made more than 2 BTC with this indicator. So this is it. My name is Heavy Crypto. I'm signing out. Well, my name is Arthur. I'm signing out. Therefore, I'll see you into that video. Love and peace, my friends.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take